Once again, welcome to Ambassador TV channel. Subscribe to the channel, like the channel, leave your comment, click on the ring bell button for more updates. Moreover, share the video for others to benefit. And please take your time and watch the video to an end, because this video is one of the lovely and very powerful cryptocurrency I'm coming to talk about. That is the Berlin coin. And Berlin coin currently is mining for free. Okay, so you just go to Play Store and then you download the Berlin coin app. Okay, you download the Berlin coin app. So you just go to Play Store. Okay, you go to Play Store, you download the Berlin coin app, and then you log in, and then you just register with your emails or your telephone number. Okay, with your telephone number. So you just go to Play Store, you click on Berlin that is Gene. Okay, that is the Berlin coin. So Berlin coin. So already I have the app. So you just ask for me, I'll open, but you have to register as new. So let me log out. Okay, and guide you later on how to register the Berlin coin. This is a wonderful coin, and please do your possible best and be part of this project. This coin is not yet listed, although by this coin, if you have about 5,000 of this coin, you can sell your account out with a very huge amount of profit. Okay, which I also bring you that video on that, how to sell this coin out. So you just use your number. As I'm a Ghanaian, I'll just type in GH. I'll just see Ghana. You click on Ghana. So I'll just put in any telephone number I want to use to register. Okay, any telephone number I want to use to register. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so I'm doing the registration. I'll type in a name. Okay, let me use that is first name. Let me use Maku. Okay, and then Beatrice, or let me use Asare. Okay, this is for registration purposes, and let me use MA as his username. Okay, MA. Okay, so let me put in a password. Okay, a password. Okay, this is for that is registration purposes. So let me put in a password. So I'm done. So I'll click on register. Username should be, let me see, username should be 4 letter. Okay, so let me put it Maku. Okay, Maku 1. Okay, so Maku 1. I'll just click on the register. Username already exists. So let me add the A. Okay, A2 or A1. Okay, let me click on the registration again. It's done. Okay, so now they'll ask you for the referral code. So just type in truth. Okay, that is truth. So just type in truth. That is my referral code, and it's done. Okay, so that's simple how you can register. So you come back every 1 hour to claim your coin. You come back every 1 hour to do your mining. So this app is mined hourly. So hourly you come back and you just drag this thing here. You slide it to the side, the right side part, and it will start mine. As you can see, mine in 0.7 point. You see, it's still counting. So this coin also, as I said, is not listed on any exchange yet, but if you have about 5,000k, okay, or 10,000k going, you can sell your account out. So when you come here, you can see sell account. You just click on sell account, and this section will be open very soon for those who want to sell the account out. And it's a very lovely, and they are going to pay you in BTC or perfect money. Okay, payment method is going to be in perfect money. So when you click on it, payment will be sent to you within 7 to 14 days of the sell account request. Okay, so this is very powerful, one of the powerful upcoming cryptocurrency. So as a company who give you this thing for free and yet still buys out this coin that you have mined, that tells you that the maximum supply in time will be very less. Okay, so this crypto will have a very high price. Okay, this crypto will have a very high price. So this, I'll be leaving the description. I'll be leaving the link in the description column and the referral code also there for you guys to also enjoy it and also benefit. So as you can see, minimum coin to sell is from 10k going. So that if you have 10k is $100. If you have 25,000k is $500. If you have 50,000 is $1,500. If you have 100,000 is $5,000, and if you have 150,000k you'll be getting $8,000, and if you have 200,000k of Berlin coin you'll receive $15,000 as usual. So and on. So try your possible best and also join this powerful and lovely upcoming or mining app for free for now, and very soon you are not going to get this thing for free. So make sure you join this amazing mining apps, and you can contact them through their social medias or follow them also on YouTube. You can also do what, join their Telegram page as usual, and a lot. So I'll end here because of time factor for you guys to also benefit from Berlin coin. So that is all the way for you this morning, and I always promise I'll bring you legit and a promising and a powerful upcoming cryptocurrency that can change your life for good. So do your possible best and share Ambassador TV channel for others to also join this channel, as we are in and we are all doing our research on the crypto industry. And CHY Ambassador TV channel and CHY also, we are doing another research about a little information we had from a friend from Nigeria. So as when these results will be ready, we'll bring you update on that also as well. So do your possible best and stay tuned on Ambassador TV channel, as we promise you the best, not anything, but we'll give you the best. Stay tuned and have a blessed and a lovely Thursday morning and afternoon. Good day, guys.